Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube thumbnail bigger than 2 MB. So if you get this error right here, what I want you to do is actually come to this website, reduceimages.com, and then come here and just drag and drop your image or click on select image, and I'll go ahead and add this image right here. Click on open. Now what I want you to do is first toggle this one off. This is the fixed ratio. I don't want it to be fixed aspect ratio, so I've toggled it off. Then width, what I want you to do is set it to 1280 and height to 720. So come here, 1280 by 720, that is the file dimensions. And this one, set it to pixels. Resolution, I'll leave it to 72 dpi. And then right here, we can leave it to stretch. Now, format, you can do PNG for the best quality. You can do JPG as well. And quality, can leave it at about 95%. And then just click on resize image. Okay, as you can see, our image has been resized, and then you can just go ahead and download this. It's much smaller than if you come back here. You can easily just go ahead and drag and drop this new image, and there you go, our thumbnail has been added. And that is how to fix YouTube thumbnail bigger than 2 MB.